Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bath bomb demo from Lush. This is their Butterbear Bath Bomb. I have my helper with me because she was going to take a bath with this one. So immediately when I put it in the tub, I started seeing all these like brown and yellow pieces in there, and I was like, that's weird. It didn't look very appealing. But I can assure you that they were pieces of cocoa butter. They did end up melting and combining with the water in the tub since the water was warm. It looked interesting. It looked like it was going to leave something I would have to clean up, but no, not really. It did kind of collect around the side of the tub next to the drain, and it was very easy to wipe out, and there wasn't much of it. But at first it was different. I wasn't sure how it was going to end up being in the tub, but it smelled really good. It was very moisturizing, which you guys know my kids have very dry, sensitive skin, so I felt like this was a good one for people like that. We were playing with the pieces of cocoa butter. And this bath bomb is $5.95, so it's on the cheaper end of their bath bombs. And it didn't really have much of a color. Maybe it was just a little milky looking in the water. And it did dissolve pretty quickly. So here's a close-up of some of the pieces floating. But like I said, they did melt and dissolve, and it was no biggie. So that was my quick demo for you today. If you want to see more of the Lush Christmas bath bombs, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I have many more coming. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.